Okay, welcome back student. Today we are going to see the form example. Okay, so just I am writing here the code and you can see how to write the code. First you need to write the command exclamation mark hyphen space, and I am doing like form example, form example, okay, or form page. And how to close this? For closing this, you must double hyphen and greater than. Then this is a tag, and this will not execute at the time of your page is execute, and it will not display on the screen. Okay, this only display on the code only. Fine. Okay, so this is a basic structure. As I told you in the last class, basic structure. This is opening tag HTML, and this is a closing tag, and this is head tag opening and closing, and this is a body tag this. So what is this? This will, so I am writing the like for comment, what is the use of body? It will display on the main page, okay, or you can say content of the web page. Okay, fine. So this is, it will be, it will display on the main page, or you can say content of the web page. And what is this here? What we can write? So just you can write here like example. First type it open and close, and I will write here. You can use here title tag, okay, and ty style tag, okay, and links, css code, script. Okay, this in the head tag you need to write this thing, and whatever you are writing in the head, it will not display on the main page. Okay, on the main page content. Okay, so this is a simple thing, and whatever the code you are writing, every code should be in, every code should be in every tag should be in HTML tag. Okay, so this is what I wrote. This is called comments. Form page, every tag should be in HTML tag. You can use here title, style, link, css code, scripting languages, okay, and so on. In the body is the main thing, and it will display on the web page. Okay, so here can you see untitled? So I did not save this, file, so I will save it. Okay, fine. First I will write the code. So here in the HTML head, okay, head, what we can write? I can write the title, opening tag and closing tag, and here you can give your own title, whatever you want to give the title. So I am writing form page. Okay, I am giving form page. Fine, this is a title, and that should be right in head tag. Okay, now the next is here. If you take this example, here it is taken the radio, but radio is use the radio, okay, but in the form only. So I am here just taking some of the examples, like to take the input. Okay, so I am taking form, okay, form, form opening tag and form closing tag. Okay, can you see this? If you did not write here like action and all the things like this, no problem. That if your page is working on the server, then only you need to write the action. We will see that later. Okay, now in the form, what I want to do, first I will write the P. What I am writing P, I am writing student details and closing tag. Fine. So this is my main heading, or you can use this as heading, not you can use H1. Okay, H1 is a heading, H1. Okay, here now I am taking label. Okay, label opening tag and slash label closing tag. What I am doing means I am just taking input type name. So in the form I will write here what I want to do here. I want name, roll number, email ID. Okay, fine. And I will add here, no, not email ID, leave it, roll name, roll number, and I will write gender. Okay, gender and subject. Clear? I will use this 4 things. In that I can get, with this subject I will get the checkbox, and with the help of gender we will get the radio button, and number and name also we will get with text input type. Okay, in the label we can write input type is equals to text. What is the first thing is name, so text. Okay, and what is the name of that text? Name is equals to just name only. Okay, and name is name. Okay, what is a value? Value is like if you want to keep in the label this input type, you can give the value, otherwise no need of value. Okay, you can give like value is equals to name only. Okay, now this is value, fine, and this should be closing tag with this slash. Okay, so I close this. Input type is equals to this. So what is this main thing label? What I want to give? I want to give student, STUDE, student name, colon. Okay, so my code is student name is a label, it will display on the web page, and input type is equals to text, name is equals to name. Okay, and value also is name, so it's close. So let's see file, save as, let's see how it will be. So we'll go to the WAD sub. Here I am giving form.html. So how to save the HTML file? You need to give the file name and extension HTML, or you can give HTML also you can give. Okay, HTML or HTM, fine, and you must don't forget to select all. Okay, you need to select all and save. I save the file. Let's go where did I save that. Okay, I saved here form. Can you see the form? Let's right click, open with Google Chrome. Let's see how the output will be displayed. Can you see? Already predefined the value is here. If you want to write the value here, predefined the value will be here. So it will be like display the table in this format. So in place of value you can use the placeholder, okay, as I shown you in the last class, placeholder. Okay, this, can you see this placeholder? Input type text, name is equals to name, size, placeholder. In place of value if you use the placeholder, okay, remove the value and PLAC placeholder, if you use placeholder, so you can give the name like your name or student name, let's go first, save here and go back here and right click, like see, can you see the student name here? But when you click it will remove, when you click it will remove. So it is like a placeholder to identify what do you want to write here, okay. So this is placeholder, fine. Next, okay, what is the next now? In the next, username, I got it, means student name. Now I want the next one. Next is same label, open label and close label tag, okay. And what do you want? I want roll number. Roll number is a label. Now take the input type is equals to, okay, you can take text only, no problem, text, and name is equals to roll number, okay, roll number, roll number, okay, close. Now right here placeholder, PLAC placeholder is equals to like your roll number, or you can write here in the placeholder like a sample 1605, okay, 1605 17737 000, okay, like this you can give, clear. So let's see here what it will show, because I did the mistake here, I will do the mistake I did here, because what I did here, I am not closing this input type here, okay, and I am saving the file. Let's see, sorry, Control S, file, save. When I save the file, go here in the page, refresh, see, is it work? It is working. Can you see? Is there any difference between this and this? No. But if you go to the code, can you see I did not close the input tag, even though your content will be displayed on the web page, but sometime it will not display in a proper. Because of that you must check your code again, okay. So I did here, I closed properly and I did the save and go back and refresh. Now it's same, no change, but the form is not will be in a single row. The form will be like a student name, roll number, like this. So I want this should be in the next line. How to do? As we did in the last class, so here we need to use br slash. What is this br? Br is nothing but break, okay. Let's save this and go back and refresh, see. But here is like lot of conjunction. So here you can use more BR for more space, one BR for one space. Let's go and refresh. Can you see it's little bit down? Okay, so like this you can make how much gap do you want, you can give with the help of this BR. Okay, fine. Next is here also I need to write the same thing, so I will copy here and I will paste here. So the two things I finish. What did I finish? Here roll number and name I finish. Now I will do the gender, label, label. Now gender. Okay, here input type is equals to what I need to take. Should I need to take the text? No, I need to take radio button. I want either the student may be a male or female. Okay, radio. Okay, then radio, then you need to give the name, like this. Okay, radio, and you need to give the name is equals to what the name you are giving. You are giving gender. Okay, gender, comma. Okay, space. Here we need to give the value. You need to give the value. Okay, if the value is equals to, you need to give male. Okay, and by default I want to check male only, CHECKED, checked, and I am closing this and I am closing the label also. Okay, let's go and check here. Control S, see, refresh. Gender is not displaying anything. Gender, it is showing only gender. So here we did mistake. We don't need to write here gender, we need to write here male. Okay, here we need to write male, and here with the P tag we need to write gender /P. Okay, and here I need to give BR because for the new line. Okay, let's save and refresh here. See, can you see it's a lot of difference between gender and male. So you can remove this, Control S and refresh like this. Okay, next I want female also. I want female. So here in the next label you need to create, and here you need to write female. Input type is equals to same thing, radio. Okay, and name, fine, name is equals to here, sorry, here we need to write the male. Okay, here female, and the value is equals to female. Then I will close this. Okay, I will close this, but I opened the label but I did not close the label. So /label, opening tag and closing tag. So let's save this and let's check male female. Okay, so it is always, it is checking by default, so you need to remove that check. If you remove this check, Control S, refresh, nothing will be select. Okay, if this, so see, can you see here both are selecting, any one has to be select. So for that reason, so here when we are going and checking, let's go here once again, I will open the form, and here can you see here when I am clicking this and this, both are selecting. In the form this should not be happened. So here if you go back to the code, the main thing is here when you are giving this, okay, when you are giving this male and female, this both will come under in gender. So here we need to keep only gender, okay, in the name gender only, gender, okay. If the both name is same gender, then only if you select this, then it will be disabled. If you select this, then it will be disabled. Let's save and go back and check here, refresh, male. When I go to click female, it's selecting this, okay. So if you want name before the radio button, that also possible. If you want the name after the radio button, that also possible. How to do that means, just whatever you are writing the name here, just write here, Control X, and I will paste here, okay, Control X and Control V. So here this is a simple thing. If you want the name, first you want the radio button, then name, this it will be displayed. Like go and check previously check, male is here, female is here, and after that the radio. So right click here. In this format also you can make it, okay. So I will change it to old one. So just I shown you, like you can do this also. So we completed the three things. What we have completed till now? Name, roll number and gender. Now we will go with the subject, okay. Now we will go with the subject. Let's click go down, and I am writing the P opening tag, and I am writing subject and closing tag, okay. Here what we can do now, we can do label, okay. Example, my subjects, whatever the third year subject, I will going to write 2 or 3 subjects, okay. So here I am writing subject name, first one is WAD, okay. Input type is equals to radio, and name is equals to subject, okay, subject. And what is the value? Value I am writing WAD, okay, slash close, and close the label tag also, okay. Next one, opening tag label, next subject is AI, okay, AI. Input type is equals to radio. Oh sorry, here we no need to check the radio, here we need to select the checkbox. Here we need to check box, and name is equals to subject, value is equals to AI, okay. Then close the label, okay. One more I will write, label greater than, like AT, okay. Input type is equals to checkbox, name is equals to subject, value is equals to AT, okay. and slash label. So I close this. Okay, this is finished. Now let's see, I will save and I will go and refresh here. What will happen? See, gender, name, subject. Can you see? I can check multiple at same time. Okay, I can check multiple, and here only one. Here only one I can, and I can write here name. My name is like student name is Fahad. Okay, roll number, the roll number format is here like 605 something something something. Okay, you can give any input data here. So what is this? What we are getting here? It is, the name is displaying student name, that is a called placeholder. Okay, and this is text box, and this is a label, and this is also paragraph, and this is a heading, and this is radio button, and this is checkbox. Okay, so today we have seen the thing in the form, what are the common are there. First one is name. Okay, first one is name, and second one we took the roll number. Okay, and gender, we took the gender here, male, female, and you can add other also. In subject, you can select multiple subject, means multiple options you can select. Okay, fine. So this is about today's class: name, roll number, gender, and subject. And you I hope you recognize that this command was not execute in the main page here. Okay, if I do mistake here, Control S, and I will refresh, is there anything? No, because whatever the content here, okay, it is started here. Like if I write directly here, example, it will be, so what the thing will be display here? See, it will display on the main page. It is displaying here. So here you need to close. So while you doing the practice, you do the mistake and see how the web page is displaying, because it will not display you the error. Where is the error? It will not display you. So you need to recognize, because of that you do mistake, like remove this tag, remove this something, and do practice, then you will going to learn many things. Okay, so this is a simple thing. And what the thing we need to do in the gender, if you are taking name should be same, then only if one is selected, the another one will be disabled. Okay, and in the checkbox, if the name is same also, no problem, because the value you can select all. Okay, so this is a simple example related to the form. In the next class we will see more about get, post. Okay, fine. And in the next class we will going to do maybe practical, or we will see the next options next class. Okay, select item is also there. Like example, in the form, just we have this. If you want to select, like I have this radio button, male and female, I can make like a select option, drop down list. How to make that we will see in the next class. We will study, then we will see the how to make a menu, that also we will see. Okay, and we will see the text area. What is the difference between text box and text area? Means text box is a limited, only limited here. By default it will be 20. Okay, but text area like a 1000 characters you can write. Okay, 200 characters, 1000 characters, like that. I hope you understand. Thank you. Let's see in the next class.